Hello friends, I hope you're doing well. And here professional social media post, banner and flare in PSD file. That's mean these files for Adobe Photoshop. You can customize, you can change everything in Photoshop. But these are password protected and you need subscription for password. Go to SheriSKPWT.com. Here 3 days membership, 90 days and lifetime membership. When you purchase membership, then you have access to my all old and new future files. Okay, open this one. Here it is preview and here PSD. Same thing here in exposure. Here and back to school admission marketing. Okay, and same thing. Black Friday with two different color, yellow and orange. Sorry, red. You can also change in Black Friday sale. Digital marketing expert, dentist, clean modern Instagram. Okay, and here 6 posts are 7. That's mean all files are editable. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take a look.